Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you most of what I'm taking with me to Austria and Germany. The reason I say most is because there is still stuff that's not on this bed that is being packed. Stuff like my laptop, my shoes, my purse, my passport, and my Interrail tickets. We are going on the train the entire way, no flying, which means no restriction on the size of your luggage or the liquids that you are taking. This is my suitcase. It is from 5 cities. The reason that we are using suitcases instead of carrying our rucksacks is for space. All of our accommodations are located close to the railway stations, so we're not concerned about having to drag our suitcases across cobblestones and things like that. In fact, the worst part of leaving is going to be getting our suitcases down the bottom of our gravel driveway to walk to the bus stop. And we are going to be mixing our stuff up in each other's cases because our first night of travel, we are using the sleeper train. Because we know there'll be a bit of limited space and things like that, we have decided that what we'll do is pack everything that we need for that first night into one of the suitcases. Hexa-boo-boo, what you doing? Oh, hi. Nap time, apparently. At the top there is a blue bikini top from Marks & Spencer and a polka-dotted high-waisted bikini bottom off of Amazon. And the benefit of the Marks & Spencer top is it can double up as a bra because it's got that extra side boning that a bra has. Underneath it, there is a plain black sports bra from Primark. Underneath the bra, there are 4 pairs of socks. Only taking 4 pairs because I will be packing a pair of sandals. So I'm hoping to wear my sandals for most of the days and not need my regular shoes. I have 4 shirts. The top one is a long sleeve purple outdoor wear type quick drying moisture wicking bells and whistles shirt from Asda. Underneath is a short sleeved Mountain Warehouse shirt with the same bells and whistles of outdoorsy wear. And then 2 plain scoop neck t-shirts. Both of those are nerdy t-shirts from Redbubble because I need to get my nerd on while I'm away. I've got 2 skirts that are coming along. One is gray with a pink undershort, and the other is plain blue. The blue pair is from a company called Spyro, and they are on Amazon, and they're about £8. And the gray skort came from H&M. I also have a dress that is my Gold Bubble Beverly Crusher skater dress. And then I've got a pair of shorts to wear underneath the dress because I do have a pair of tights as well, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be too hot for tights. 7 pairs of underwear. Obviously, we're doing laundry. I have a turquoise cardigan up on the top there. It's made out of t-shirt materials. It also came from Amazon from like a cheap China company. I also have a pink pullover from Trespass that is also outdoorsy wear, so it is the all bells and whistles. Quick drying, keeps you cool, moisture wick, you know what it is. It was on sale at Trespass, and I really liked the color, so that's coming along. And that is also fairly small as well, so it doesn't take up very much space. I have my Turkish towel up at the top there. That's that purple thing with the tassels. I also have my face cloth, which is one of those magic towels you can buy at the pound shop. So if it gets left behind, I won't cry about losing it. Underneath there is my Pack-A-Mac bag, Pack-A-Mac, that is from Trespass. Other clothing is my pajamas. I am taking a pair of shorts and a yellow vest top. I have a pair of gray lounge trousers and a t-shirt. My thumb brace and my knee brace along my thumb brace for my arthritis. I have to sleep in that every night. Moving down here, I've got a drawstring rucksack also from Redbubble. It's you can't see it, but it is Beverly Crusher. And I have that along to use as a day bag or to use as a laundry bag. Whatever I need it for. I like the fact that it's drawstring because then if I can't fit it back into my bag on the way home, it won't be a big deal if I have to have that like slung on a shoulder. I have a little Twin Star mesh wash bag. This is so that obviously I can put my bra, my underwear, and tights and things like that. I have a fold-out handbag crossbody bag from Reisenfeld. This is coming with me because Neuschwanstein does not allow you to take backpacks. This bag will have all my charging cables in and chargers and adapters and things like that. It's empty right now because everything is still in use. I have my water bottle. It's a metal water bottle from Sistema because I never travel without a water bottle. Some loo roll just in case the loo on the train does not have toilet paper. My pop-out hairbrush and some dry shampoo. I've got some Earl Grey tea along. I have over here a bunch of other stuff. I've got that blue bag is going to have my video camera and its accessories in it, so that it just keeps it neat and tidy. I have some collapsible lunch boxes. I know some of you guys make fun of me for that, but honestly, being able to take a packed lunch when we travel out, have day trips, is amazing. And I have a set of cutlery. These were from Amazon. They're super cheap. There's like a knife, a fork, a spoon, a teaspoon. There's actually chopsticks in here, and there's even 2 straws in here with a cleaning thing for the straw as well. So great for travel, and it doesn't take up very much space. The pink bag above it, that is my toiletry bag, and next to it is my makeup bag. The best print bag has over-the-counter medication we might need on this trip. The Kath Kidston bag below it is going to be my prescription bag, which currently doesn't have prescriptions in it because I have to go pick them up at the drugstore because, oh my god, running out of time for this trip, let me tell you. I've got my travel journal along. I'm going to try this. I've never done a travel journal before, but this is my first time. But I've got my journal and some pens. I've got a ballpoint pen because you have to use black ink, blue or black ink on Interrail Pass. Wanted to make sure I always had one on me. This is like correction tape in case I make a mistake. This little Kath Kidston pencil case is going to have my money in it because I've got some bandanas I've got some ginger chews for a tummy ache, some blister bandages for blisters, and then some regular plasters, my tablet and my phone, my dress I'll be wearing on the train, my underwear for the train for that day, and then a pair of shorts to wear under my dress on the day that we travel. So that's everything so far. Oh, I've got a cat. Help him pack again, baby. What? Yeah, I'm not packing today. I mean, I have to because I leave tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning, but heck, so you are very, very determined. So now that the cat's gone, so the outside pocket here has a compression cube, which has all of our stuff that we need on the train. It has our pajamas, and it has our change of clothes, which is mostly just clean underwear because we'll just wear what we wore the day before. And that fits in the outside pocket of Tim's suitcase. I can get a zip. And there is still some space in this top part. Inside, there is still a little bit of space if I needed it, but so far I've managed to I'm trying to not cram it completely full, but in the inside pocket there I have Tim's flip-flops. My flip-flops are right there. We've got a plastic bag that has our Turkish towels in it, as well as a plastic bag inside the plastic bag that has our face cloths in it, so that way after we take our showers on the train when stuff is wet, we can just pack it into these bags and it's fine. And then everything else and our toiletry bags are here and here. And then the rest of this bag just has a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. There's another compression packing cube, which has all of our underwear in it. And then I've got 2 pairs of trousers for Tim in the bottom. They're both your quick dry, outdoorsy style shirts. And then he has the tripod. And I think that's about it in this bag, in all honesty. Plus a lot of little stuff as I'm kind of like filling in the holes, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so 1 bag down, 1 more suitcase to go, and all of this to fit in it. And bag number 2, suitcase number 2, I should say, is successfully packed. So the packing cube has most of my clothing that I showed you. Actually, I think it has all of my clothing I showed you except for what's in Tim's bag. And then it has Tim's shirts, so it has like 3 of Tim's shirts in here. And then on this side, I've got more clothing that didn't fit in the packing cube. The fold-out purse, my makeup, my sandals, and that's about it. I will edit this video at some point, so if I don't get a chance to tell you in a future video, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.